The path to financial stability can often seem like a steep, obstacle-filled climb. For many, the idea of saving money seems like an overwhelming task, almost impossible to accomplish with the daily expenses and responsibilities surrounding us. It's easy to feel lost in the labyrinth of personal finance, not knowing where to start or how to maintain discipline. However, there is a powerful and surprisingly simple tool that can completely transform your relationship with money. This is the 50-30-20 rule, a method that not only simplifies managing your income, but also empowers you to take control of your financial future. It offers a clear and effective framework that will guide you step by step. This rule allows you to achieve your savings goals much more quickly and efficiently than you might imagine. It's not about extreme deprivation, but rather a wise allocation of your resources. With it, saving ceases to be a burden and becomes a natural and rewarding part of your life. The 50-30-20 rule was popularized by U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren and her daughter Amelia Warren Tyagi. They presented it in their influential book, All Your Worth: The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. Since then, it has been adopted by millions of people around the world as a fundamental pillar of financial education. Its genius lies in its simplicity and adaptability to any income level. No matter how much you earn, this rule provides you with a clear framework for organizing your finances. It's a practical guide that helps you live within your means while building a more secure future. The basic principle of this rule is to divide your monthly net income, what you receive after taxes, into 3 key categories. Each category has a specific percentage assigned, making it easier to make decisions about where your money goes. This distribution gives you a clear view of your spending habits. The 3 categories are needs, wants, and savings. Each plays a vital role in your financial and personal well-being. Understanding the difference between them is the first step to successfully applying the rule and seeing tangible results in a short time. By following this structure, you not only save money, but you also develop greater awareness of your spending patterns. It allows you to enjoy life today while building a prosperous tomorrow. Get ready to discover how this rule can change your financial life forever. Now, let's dive into how each of these categories works and how you can apply them to your life. Understanding the essence of each percentage is critical to implementing the rule effectively. You'll see that each part serves a specific and crucial purpose. The first and largest portion of your income, 50%, should be spent on covering your essential needs. These are the expenses that are absolutely essential for your survival and basic well-being. Without them, your daily life would be seriously compromised. This includes housing, which is one of the most significant expenses for most people. This includes monthly rent or mortgage payments. Ensuring you have a roof over your head is a fundamental pillar of your stability. Food, which is essential for your nutrition and health, is also considered a basic need. This doesn't mean eating out every day, but rather buying groceries to prepare meals at home. Planning your shopping can help you optimize this expense. Transportation is another crucial need, whether it's fuel costs, vehicle maintenance, or public transportation. You need to be able to get around to get to work, school, or your daily activities. It's an unavoidable expense for most people. Utilities also fall into this category, including water, electricity, gas, and in many cases, internet. These are recurring expenses that keep your home running and connected. They are essential to the comfort and functionality of your modern life. Furthermore, insurance is a vital necessity to protect you and your family from unexpected events. This can include health, life, car, or home insurance. They are an investment in your peace of mind and long-term security, avoiding large unexpected expenses. Other essential expenses can include minimum debt payments, although the goal is to allocate more to debts in the savings category. Prescription medications, or any other expenses that are crucial to your health and safety are also included. It's important to be honest with yourself when defining these needs. It's crucial to analyze your spending in this category to optimize and reduce costs whenever possible. Small adjustments here can free up a significant amount of money for other categories. Review your bills and look for savings opportunities. For example, you can look for better deals on car or home insurance, by comparing different providers. Sometimes switching companies can mean considerable savings without sacrificing coverage. Don't be afraid to negotiate or shop around. Another way to optimize is to reduce your home's energy consumption by turning off lights, unplugging appliances, or investing in energy-efficient appliances. Small changes in your daily habits can have a big impact on your utility bill. Every penny counts. Remember that the goal is to keep your needs at 50% of your income. If your essential expenses exceed this percentage, it's a sign that you need to reevaluate your lifestyle. This could mean looking for more affordable housing or reducing other fixed expenses. The second category, 30% of your income, is dedicated to your wants. This is the portion that allows you to enjoy life and indulge yourself, but it's important to remember that these expenses aren't essential to your survival. They're what makes life more enjoyable and fun. This includes entertainment-related expenses, such as going to the movies, attending concerts, or paying for streaming subscriptions. These are the little luxuries that enrich your free time and allow you to relax. They're important for your emotional well-being. Eating out or ordering takeout also falls into this category. While food is a necessity, choosing to eat out is a desire. It's a pleasure you can enjoy in moderation without affecting your essential finances. Clothing purchases that aren't strictly necessary, technological gadgets, or any other item you'd like to have but couldn't live without are also considered wants. It's important to differentiate between what you really need and what you simply want. Trips and vacations are clear examples of wants. They are enriching experiences that allow us to disconnect and explore, but they are not essential for our livelihood. Planning ahead and budgeting for them is key. Your hobbies and pastimes, such as dance classes, gym memberships, or materials for a creative project, are also funded with this 30%. These are activities that give you personal satisfaction and help you grow. Investing in yourself is valuable. Any other discretionary expense that isn't a basic need falls here. It's the money that allows you to live the life you want, as long as you do so consciously and in a planned manner. This category is your escape valve and your reward. It's essential to be mindful of these expenses and prioritize what truly brings you the greatest value and happiness. It's not about eliminating all desires, but rather about managing them intelligently. Ask yourself if each expense truly contributes to your well-being. If you find yourself spending too much in this category, it's a sign to reconsider your priorities. Maybe you can cut back on some unused subscriptions, cook more at home, or look for more affordable entertainment options. Balance is key. Remember, this portion is for enjoyment, but always responsibly. A well-managed budget allows you to indulge your desires without feeling guilty or compromising your financial future. It's the freedom to choose how to spend your extra money. Finally, we come to the most crucial part of the rule: 20% of your income allocated to savings and debt repayment. This category is the engine that drives your financial progress and allows you to build a solid future. It's where you really see your wealth grow. This percentage is allocated to savings for short and long-term goals. An emergency fund is the first and most important savings goal. This fund protects you from unexpected events such as job loss or unexpected medical expenses. It should cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. You can also save for a down payment on a house, your children's education, a new car, or any other important goal you have. Setting clear goals will help you stay motivated and see the progress of your savings. Retirement is a long-term savings goal that shouldn't be overlooked. The sooner you start saving for it, the more your money will benefit from compound interest. It's an investment in your future peace of mind. In addition to savings, this 20% can also be used to pay off debts. This includes credit cards, personal loans, student loans, or any other financial obligation. Reducing your debt is just as important as increasing your savings. It's essential to prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card debt. These debts can grow quickly and consume a large portion of your income. Tackling them first will free you up financially faster. Consider strategies like the snowball or avalanche method for debt repayment. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debt first to build momentum. The avalanche method prioritizes debts with the highest interest rate. By allocating a fixed percentage to savings and debt, you're automating your financial progress. This eliminates the need to make decisions every month and ensures you're always moving toward your goals. Consistency is your best ally. This 20% is your investment in yourself and your future. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your financial freedom. Don't underestimate the power of this percentage. It's the key to turning your dreams into reality. The 50-30-20 rule isn't just a budgeting method. It's a financial philosophy that offers multiple benefits. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. It provides a clear and easy-to-follow framework for financial management, eliminating confusion and uncertainty. You don't need to be a financial expert to apply it. Its principles are intuitive and straightforward. This makes it accessible to everyone. This rule forces you to be mindful of your spending, which is a crucial step for any financial improvement. By categorizing each euro or dollar, you develop a deep understanding of where your money goes. This awareness is the first step toward control. It helps you prioritize needs over wants, ensuring that your essential expenses are always covered. This discipline protects you from falling into unnecessary debt and provides you with a solid foundation. It's a way of living within your means. Also, allocate a significant portion of your income to savings and debt reduction. This isn't optional. It's an integral part of the rule. This automatic allocation ensures you're always building your financial future. One of the greatest benefits of the 50-30-20 rule is that it encourages the creation of a consistent savings habit. By automatically allocating 20% of your income to this category, saving becomes a routine part of your life. It's no longer something you do if you have extra money. This automation eliminates the temptation to spend that money on wants. You get used to living with the remaining 80%, and the remaining 20% goes directly to your goals. Over time, this habit takes root and becomes second nature, almost effortlessly. Having a clear and structured financial plan creates an immense sense of control over your money. This sense of control, in turn, significantly reduces financial anxiety and stress. You know exactly where you stand and where you're going. Uncertainty about money is one of the main causes of stress. With the 50-30-20 rule, that uncertainty is drastically reduced. You feel more confident and prepared to face any financial challenge that may arise. The consistent and disciplined savings that this rule promotes allow you to achieve financial goals much more quickly. Whether it's buying a home, investing for the future, or even retiring early, your goals become tangible. By having a fixed percentage dedicated to your goals, progress is constant and visible. This keeps you motivated and drives you forward. Seeing your savings grow gives you the confidence to dream big and plan for a prosperous future. The 50-30-20 rule is much more than a simple budgeting method. It's an empowering financial life philosophy. It's a powerful tool for saving money quickly and effectively, without completely sacrificing your quality of life. Its simplicity makes it accessible to everyone, from young adults to families and financial beginners. By implementing this rule, you not only take control of your finances, but you also build a solid and secure financial future. It allows you to live responsibly in the present while sowing the seeds for a prosperous tomorrow. It's an investment in your peace of mind and freedom. Its app makes managing your budget much easier, transforming complexity into clarity. You'll no longer have to guess where your money goes. You'll have a clear and concise map. This transparency is key to making informed decisions. It also actively contributes to debt reduction, freeing you from the burden of interest and financial obligations. By prioritizing debt repayment, you pave the way to greater financial freedom. It's a fundamental step in getting your finances back on track. In short, the 50-30-20 rule helps you achieve your savings goals effectively and sustainably. It gives you the structure, discipline, and motivation you need to transform your life. Start applying it today and watch your money start working for you.